Okay, so this video is for those of you that are finished with the outline and wondering how to begin writing a rough draft. So here we have an outline. Notice the subject line. Remember that's the part in the email where you tell your author what it's going to be about. Basically, it's a title. Then we have Dear the organization. We have the email / website. Then we have a short first paragraph. We have a thesis statement. And remember, your thesis statement should have your 3 reasons, like on the pink paper, and I've already checked you all off. So if you haven't written your outline, this is how you do it. Just make sure that you include the in-text citation right here. We have it in parentheses. So this outline is looking pretty good. I'm just double checking it. Yeah, we have in-text citations. Looking good. Okay, so now your next step is to create a rough draft. So you're just going to come over here, you're going to click File, New Document, and label it Rough Draft Research Letter. Then you're going to come back over here, and now you're just going to copy and paste. So that's our Dear Action Against Hunger, comma, and then back over here, copy, paste, copy. Remember, it's Control C and then Control V. Okay, so that's the first paragraph. So now I just need to format it. So I'm going to highlight all of it, come over here to this icon, click double, indent right there, then return. Okay, now my next paragraph. Go copy. Paste. Make sure it's indented. Copy. Paste. Quick note about introducing the evidence. The way you introduce evidence is you provide context for the evidence, so then the evidence makes sense to your reader. So like this person put, poverty is happening all over the world and a lot of people are in poverty due to the lack of jobs and or pay. And then they have evidence. Not every person living in poverty faces chronic hunger, but almost all people facing chronic hunger are also living in poverty. Then they have explanation. Most people that are struggling to gain food are also struggling to earn money. So as I'm reading this, I'm also realizing that I probably need more explanation. So did I already copy and paste that evidence over? Nope. So I'm going to copy, paste. Feel free to pause this video anytime so you can do exactly what I'm doing with me. Copy, paste. Copy. Look, notice we have a paraphrase right here. There's no quotation marks. Paste. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. Okay, so we have a paragraph. I'm going to make sure it's double spaced. Now I'm just going to read through it, make sure it makes sense. People in third world countries are starving because there are no jobs for them to earn money. Poverty is happening all over the world, and a lot of people are in poverty due to the lack of jobs and or pay. I feel like that sentence is saying the same thing. So I'm going to delete that, and instead I'm just going to put, for example, the article titled, I don't have the sources because this is poverty, says, not every person living in poverty faces chronic hunger. Almost all people facing chronic hunger are living in poverty. Wait. So now I'm going to explain that quote. It says most people that are struggling to gain food are also struggling to earn money. And so if we help them earn money, they will be able to buy food. That's just a little bit more reasoning there because I feel like it needs it to explain that quote. Many people are malnourished or hungry because they simply can't afford to buy enough food, buy nutritious food, or buy the supplies they need to grow their own food. That's a good paraphrase. Without enough money, people end up going hungry because they simply can't afford to feed their whole family. Thus, by providing people with more jobs, they will earn more money so they can buy food. So this sentence right here feels a little repetitive, but that's because of what I wrote above. So I'm actually just going to delete it. My concluding sentence. Perfect. Next paragraph. Supporting topic number 2. These topic sentence. Provide them with more jobs by creating farms so they can grow food. Paste. Enter. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and do the rest of this so you don't have to watch me do it, and then I'll be back. Okay, so here I've now gone through and copied and pasted everything over as well as read through it and added more reasoning if I needed it. So notice that we have a simple dear action against hunger. We've got a first paragraph. We have another paragraph. Notice that there's in-text citations. Again, in-text citations looking good. There's about 2 pieces of evidence per paragraph. When I'm reading it, if I see numbers, I'm going to immediately go look for an in-text citation, which is down here. So good. And then UN, sincerely, a Copper Hills High School student. Notice it's about 2 pages. That's where you should be. Do no less than a page and a half, which would be about right here-ish. So if you do not write a lot, you should definitely be having 2 pieces of evidence per paragraph. If you're the type of person that you can do a lot of explaining and convincing, then you just need 1 piece of evidence per paragraph. So there we go. Feel free to watch this video again, pause anything if you need it. This is what you need to bring on Friday to your writing workshop. Once you finish this, and then you're going to move on to the revising video, which is also in today's announcement. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.